For anyone passionate about cooking, this Carote 14-piece ceramic cookware set represents the perfect blend of safety, durability, and performance. This set elevates everyday cooking with non-toxic, PFAS/PTFE-free ceramic coating, ensuring that every meal is not only delicious but also healthy. Whether you are preparing a quick breakfast, an elaborate dinner, or hosting a family gathering, this cookware set is designed to make the process effortless, enjoyable, and worry-free. The purchase link is available in the description below and in the pinned comment. Why Carote stands out in modern kitchens. Traditional cookware often comes with challenges: food sticking to surfaces, uneven heat distribution, toxic chemical coatings, and cumbersome cleaning. Carote addresses all these concerns with a professional-grade ceramic nonstick surface that's engineered for modern kitchens. Its advanced die-cast aluminum construction ensures even heat distribution, preventing hot spots and delivering consistent results every time. Cooking with this set is effortless. The ultra-smooth ceramic coating allows food to release naturally, minimizing the need for oil or butter. From delicate fish fillets to hearty stir-fries, every ingredient slides smoothly off the pan, making preparation and serving a seamless experience. Premium durability for everyday use. Durability is a cornerstone of the Carote cookware philosophy. Crafted from reinforced die-cast aluminum, this set withstands daily wear and tear, making it perfect for families, busy professionals, or avid home chefs. Unlike cheaper alternatives that warp or degrade over time, Carote maintains its shape, heat efficiency, and nonstick performance even with frequent use. The cookware is also dishwasher-safe, providing added convenience while preserving the integrity of the ceramic coating. Comprehensive 14-piece set for versatile cooking. The Carote set is thoughtfully curated to cover almost every cooking scenario. 8-inch and 9.5-inch fry pans, ideal for eggs, pancakes, sautéing vegetables, or searing proteins. 2-quart saucepan with lid, perfect for sauces, oatmeal, or reheating soups. 5-quart stockpot with lid, excellent for soups, stews, pasta, or large family meals. 5-quart sauté pan with lid, great for stir-fries, one-pan dishes, or braising. 2 utensils, essential for safe cooking on non-stick surfaces. 4 pan protectors, safeguard your cookware and maximize longevity. This versatile lineup ensures that you have the right tool for every recipe, from simple weekday meals to gourmet experiments to non-toxic, healthy cooking. Carote prioritizes health-conscious cooking. The ceramic nonstick coating is completely free from PFAS, PTFE, PFOA, and other harmful chemicals, making it a safe choice for families and anyone mindful of their dietary health. This is especially important for those cooking for children, seniors, or anyone seeking a low-fat, low-oil cooking lifestyle. Every ingredient cooks without toxic leaching, providing peace of mind alongside culinary performance. Effortless cleaning and maintenance. Cleaning cookware often takes longer than cooking, but Carote makes cleanup almost effortless. The smooth ceramic surface ensures food residues wipe off quickly, and while the set is dishwasher-safe, hand washing is recommended to preserve the coating's longevity. This combination of convenience and durability makes Carote ideal for busy households or home chefs looking to save time. Reinforced construction and even heat distribution. One of the most critical aspects of cooking is even heat transfer, and Carote excels in this area. The die-cast aluminum base heats quickly and uniformly, ensuring that your meals cook evenly from edge to center. No more burnt edges or undercooked middles, just consistent results for every recipe. Whether sautéing, frying, boiling, or simmering, this cookware delivers professional results right in your home kitchen. Stylish, space-saving, and practical. Beyond performance, Carote cookware is designed with modern kitchens in mind. The sleek ceramic coating and minimalist design add an elegant aesthetic to your cooking space. The included pan protectors extend the life of the set and help maintain a neat, organized kitchen. With its durable, ergonomic design, the cookware is not only functional, but also a stylish addition to your countertop. Warranty and customer assurance. Carote stands behind its product with a 12-month warranty, ensuring confidence in every purchase. Should you encounter any quality concerns, their responsive customer service guarantees a satisfying solution, reflecting the brand's commitment to quality and reliability. Perfect for families prioritizing healthy, non-toxic cooking, home chefs seeking durable and versatile cookware, busy professionals looking for easy cleanup and efficiency, kitchen enthusiasts who want reliable performance and long-lasting quality. Conclusion: the Carote 14-piece ceramic cookware set is an all-in-one kitchen solution designed for safety, convenience, and professional-grade cooking. With its non-toxic ceramic coating, reinforced aluminum construction, ultra-non-stick performance, and versatile 14-piece lineup, it meets the needs of modern cooks who want healthy meals, effortless cooking, and stress-free cleanup. From casual weeknight dinners to weekend culinary adventures, Carote ensures that every meal is cooked with confidence and precision. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.